What's up, folks? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm making a breakfast favorite, a country style breakfast skillet. You can have this for breakfast, brunch, or even have breakfast for dinner. Who doesn't love that? You're going to want to check this out. Let's get this breakfast skillet started. First, we're going in with about a pound of thick cut bacon that I've just chopped up. We're gonna let this brown, and then we'll come check it in just a minute. Our bacon is brown. I'm gonna use a slotted spoon to remove the bacon because I wanna leave that bacon fat to cook our vegetables and potatoes. Also, this is a one skillet recipe. You don't have to get a whole bunch of bowls dirty and cookware dirty. One pan. Time to add our veggies. I've got half of a red onion, half of a green and red bell pepper, and half of a jalapeno. Jalapeno is optional. I like it to give it a little heat. Get this mixed, and then we're gonna come right back in with our potatoes. Going in with two different types of potatoes. I've got some baby red potatoes, probably 7 or 8, just diced up to little bite-sized pieces, and then Yukon gold as well. Probably gonna cook this 8 to 10 minutes just until everything's soft and ready to add the meat. All right, we've been cooking for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna add some seasoning. I've got a teaspoon salt and pepper, teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder, and just under a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Been cooking for about 10 minutes. Time to add my garlic. To test my potatoes, take a fork or a toothpick and just see how soft they are. These are almost perfect. We're gonna add our meat. I've got 8 ounces of cubed ham, and then that 1 pound of bacon that I cooked earlier. Snack for the chef. I've got my oven preheated to 400 degrees. I just want to take a kitchen spoon and make me some indentions for my eggs. Probably going to get 4 on this one. I had 5 eggs, but that's okay. Finally, before we go into the oven, I'm gonna add some fresh cheese. I'm using shredded mozzarella because that's all I had. If you've got cheddar or really anything, we just wanna let this melt. The eggs are, there we go, the oven's ready. The eggs are setting a little bit, and you just wanna make sure that your egg whites are cooked once we get them in the oven. Shouldn't take more than 6 to 10 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. We'll check this in about 6 minutes, and we're gonna be ready to eat. How simple was that? One skillet and breakfast is ready. I cannot wait to take a bite of this. This is a hit. That saltiness from the bacon soaks up with those potatoes, a little bit of spice and heat from the jalapenos. The egg is perfectly cooked, nice runny yolk. The veggies are cooked down, they're soft, they've really taken on all that flavor. Everything just kind of molds together and makes a perfect one skillet breakfast dish. It just doesn't get much better than this. Thanks for checking out my channel today. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss Big T's next recipe. Cheers.